How to manage item hierarchy in Kendis for Azure DevOps. Item hierarchy is a centralized configuration to define levels of your work items in your organization. The structure is flexible and scalable. You may create more than one hierarchy. Go to Item Hierarchy under Settings. Click on the Create button. Type the name of the hierarchy, for example, 4 level items. Select one of the ALM accounts that connect to Azure DevOps. Create levels that you need. In this case, we are going to create a hierarchy for 4 levels. Let's call the top level as Themes. We need to map the item from Azure DevOps to this level. Select the process. If you are unsure which process is for your project, you may check it by going to Azure DevOps Project Settings. The item type in Azure DevOps is Portfolio Epic in this example. Select the work item type. Click on the Link button. Now for the second level, type the Epic. Third level is for features. Lowest level is for product backlog items, and here we will select multiple issue types. At any level, you can do a multi-select. Click on the Save, and your hierarchy will be saved. This hierarchy will be used while creating a new collection. Note, you need to be a super admin to create or manage hierarchies. For more information, check out the help.kendis.io.